What a way to bring in a new year, a maiden flight of a new drone build. This is my new AcroBrat 4S 3-inch HDZero video with KISS flight controller. The flight controller was a real pain in the ass to set up. The built-in wizard to set up the motors and directions simply doesn't work. Since I have several on my workbench, I was able to compare and figure it out. As you can see, I finally got it figured, and it definitely flies like a KISS flight controller. The throttle response very sensitive feeling.
I came here long ago on a fucking UFO.
Find me in the yellow pages. I don't need no Tinder, no. Purified soul, playing my rock and roll. Catch me in between the stages. Baby, I'm a one-man show. Patreon, make a donation. me forever.